everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you a very easy way to recreate a waterfall hairstyle. So let's get started. So comb the hair thoroughly before starting the hairstyle to make the hair completely tangle free. Now I'm going to take a small section from the front like so and divide it into two equal sections. Now taking the right section over the left like so. Now I'm going to take a small strand from the top and placing it in the middle of the two sections. Now again cross the right strand over the middle and then keep the middle strand away. So I'm letting her hold the middle strand and again crossing the right strand over the left strand. So taking a new section again, placing it in the middle. Now again the right goes over, the middle goes out of the way, the right goes over again, and we'll take a new section again. So placing this new strand in the middle, right section goes over, middle section goes out of the way, the right section goes over again, and take a new strand again. So we'll continue doing this process, and here we are just crossing the right strand only over the left strand. We are not crossing the left strand over. It's just the right strand that we are doing over and over, and the middle strand is going out of the way, and that's how it's creating a rope kind of look. And you can see here beautiful waterfall effect is already showing up. So continue doing it till the back of your head, or wherever you want to stop you can stop. So this is the last strand that I'm passing out of the way, and now I'm just twisting the remaining two strands with each other, and then I'm gonna pin it with the help of a tic-tac pin and hide the pin under the hair. That's it. So now let's leave the strands, and that's how it looks. So that's it. I hope you find this way easy like I do, and let me know which hairstyle you want me to recreate. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.